In this video, we're going to talk about some Seesaw tips and tricks that will help you as you use the program. The first thing to always consider once you're in Seesaw is to be sure that you're in the correct class. You may have a listing of different classes here, and you want to be sure that when you start to work that you're in the correct one. So by looking here at number 1 and also here at number 2, you'll see the name of your class, and you may also see an icon here that will help you identify your class. So number 1 and 2 is something to always check when you go into Seesaw. You'll also see here at number 3 tabs for journal, activities, and inbox. So right now we're in the journal tab. Here you will see anything that you have completed in Seesaw. If the teacher still needs to approve it, you'll see that blue icon there. And if it's already been approved, then you won't see that. So that's your journal tab. The other tab here is your activities tab. In your activities tab, once you've made sure that you're in the correct class, you will see 4 different categories here. The first category is the to-do category. That's the one that I would always go to first, because that's going to show activities that you need to work on. And so when you go into those activities, of course, you'll see the green add response box, and you'll be ready to click on that and add your response to that activity. You also have the in progress bar. This is where if you started an activity and you just didn't have time to finish it, and instead of tapping the green check, you tap the yellow check, and it said save as draft. And this is where you'll find those activities that you're still working on. You'll see this kind of orange finish response tab, and you can tap on that and finish the activity, and then click the green check to submit it. We also have the Done tab, and that's going to show any activities that you have completed. Again, making sure that you're in the correct class. Sometimes you will see a red badge up here. This shows a 3. What that tells me is that there are 3 notifications, and it looks like 2 of them are activities, and 1 of them is something in my inbox. We'll talk about your inbox in just a minute. But right now in the Done tab, you can see that these 2 activities are completed, and you don't need to do anything else with those activities. You probably won't need to come into the Done tab very often. Another option for seeing activities is clicking on the calendar, and that will show you a calendar view with how many activities were assigned on that particular day. So again, you've made sure that you're in the correct class. You've made sure that you you've looked here and you've looked here to be sure you're in the right class. Then when you see your name here, either in journal or in activities, you'll see a folder. This folder is a way that your teacher has put things in to organize them. And so when you click on your folder, you will see a list of folders that your teacher has created. Maybe there'll be 1 folder, maybe there'll be 10 folders, and maybe they've added titles to those folders to help you when you're looking for something specific. They'll let you know which folder will have important information on it, and you can go in and find that information in your folders. So the other thing that you find here in your Seesaw journal, again, we talked about this icon that shows us how many notifications that you have gotten. So it says I have 3, and it looks like 2 of those are activities, and 1 of those is something in my inbox. So once I click on inbox, I see 2 categories. I see one that says messages, and there I might see some class announcements that my teacher has sent out. And the other one is notifications. And notice that it says I have 1 notification. So when I click on that notification, I see a page with the most recent notifications that I have gotten. Again, I'm sure that I'm in the right class, and here is my notification feed. Here the teacher I can see when the teacher has commented on my post or added an item to my journal or liked an item. So that information I will see here. If a teacher has said good job, or if a teacher has said please add punctuation, any of those things you'll be able to find in your inbox under notifications. So that's some tips and tricks that may help you as you use Seesaw. If you have any questions, just reach out to your teacher.